Ayan o. Dapat kanina.
Now, here's an object that I will hide under one of these three silver cups. So where do you want me to put this object? On your left, on your right, or in the middle? Now, which one? Left, right, or middle? Okay, so let's put it right here. Now, let's call our taggy bird Dazzle. Dazzle is our super they inhabit northern Philippines and forests along the east coast of Australia. They were lovebirds and can eat almost any time, eating mosquito seeds, nuts, fruits such as durian, papaya, and coconut, and they also love corn. Now guys, we need Dazzle has the ability to find the hidden object. Here we can just say, you can do it, Dazzle! You can do it! Come on, Dazzle, find the hidden object for us. Now for our next feature, birds are just like any nerve meaning they will be partners for a lifetime. Secret, right? But as any couple has in a relationship, there will always be battle. Meet Sassy and Rocky are people that are bring home and they will battle to see who's the best in a basketball game. But for a starting battle, I'll be dividing you into two groups. All girls will cheer for Sassy. Come on, girls, what do you say? Sassy! 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 And all over the boys, let's cheer for Rocky! 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 Rocky, we're ready? Fingers and set, go! Here's Rocky first ball, followed only by Sassy. Another ball for Rocky, and it's a tie! And for the last ball, and Rocky wins! What a close game! Senator April, what can you say about that? You guys lose this time.
Hold it, we want another race.
Oh, they want another race here, Albert.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
This time I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So what race do you have in mind?
I'm thinking about the ring race.
And what's the ring race?
The first bird who can drop 3 rings into the pool, the fastest is the winner, and that is a ring race.
So the ring race it shall be. Remember, that boys are right at 1 point, so girls, let's cheer louder for Sassy to win this time.
Pero ako nasa
We'll
hindi
do
makita.
this again, and this time, a ring race. Ready, set, go! Here's Rocky on the first ring. Another ring for Rocky. Oh, here's Sassy. Sassy wins the next ring. And the winner is Sassy.
Tatlo.
Here,
Isahan.
what can you say about that? 3 rings at the same time.
Hey, you guys cheated!
Oh, we think you cheated.
No, we didn't cheat. Sassy used her brain.
Oh, so it's true that girls are more intelligent than boys? Our all of us Sassy and Rocky, Peter April and Peter Albert. Sassy, bringing boys from South America, and they are known to be the jungle giants of the Pasyalan family. This is because they are the second largest next to the ice of all. Dating to 1979 and they live up to 8 years old. So their nickname is parang Murang. They usually be the seeds, nuts, salt, and minerals along their river banks. And there you go, another driver. Well, over that, you Even as singers. Clear out will shuffle the numbers. And now let's go ahead with the more Rocky one.